What's up?
What are we going to do today?
Barbecue. Come.
Yeah.
Come. Check upstairs. I think we solved the problem. Well, not we, but the problem is probably solved. Ooh.
Almost scared to open the door because I already see something there. That's scary.
It's amazing, right?
It smells, I'm kind of getting high, but it looks really good.
We solved the floor problem. All of the sides were grinded out, like all of the edges, and then they filled it up, and then put a new floor on top of it. And now it kind of looks amazing. Let's start cooking, man.
Yeah. We got.
What are we doing?
We got a cutting board.
Cutting board, cameras, lights, action. How do you feel? How do you feel? You're excited about today? Are you excited? We got sunshine, beautiful weather out on the fields. Empty fields though. I kind of miss the corn. It's kind of a weird thing to say, but I kind of like, I do enjoy the beautiful views, but I kind of miss the corn. How do you feel about that?
I missed the corn.
You miss it too?
Yeah.
You do. You miss the corn too? Yes, you do, don't you? And this is the first cook of the day. Look at that. Bone marrow. This stuff is magical. Butter of the gods. That's what it's supposed to be called. This stuff is really, really good. But I'm going to show you how to make it even better. So stay tuned for that. Morrison is putting up the lights. Don't you think we have enough light from the sun?
Oh, never enough.
Never enough? This is always a thing as too much.
Is this the moment?
This is the moment. The bone marrow is on.
It's bone marrow moment.
I gotta carefully stack it on. I don't want any of it to drop off. This is like sucado. What is it called again? With the sticks.
Mikado.
Mikado. It's dangerous. If you touch one place, then the other place falls apart. We can get all of them on. That's so nice. We gotta put the rest on, Morrison. Continue with the video. Look at it. Morrison,
Yeah.
look at it.
Ooh, hot. Hot.
Look at it. How's that? What does it do to you when you see that?
I don't know.
Isn't that
because
just a perfect picture?
I haven't had so much bone marrow as I would have liked.
If I would see this in the butcher like this, and you could buy it and just put it in your barbecue, you just buy the whole thing. It's already ready for you. You can put it in the barbecue and just cook it.
I love it.
All you have to do is cook it. It would be so amazing. I would love this. I would love for a butcher to have this in the store ready for me to go pick it up, put it on the smoker, and then boom. The bone marrow pie. The pie for the gods. I don't know. We gotta come up with a good name. A pie with godlike status.
I love godlike pie.
Godlike pie.
What's going on? Why did you rush off?
Plates. We need plates. Did
What?
you check the under the lid?
No?
You better check, bro. It's good.
Let's check it out. What's going on? Whoa, that's beautiful. That really looks beautiful.
It's so good. We're gonna be eating up tonight.
What do you think?
I think this is freaking awesome. I do really enjoy the pancetta. But honestly, it's not the best part. This bone marrow, freaking insane. I gotta pay my taxes, dog taxes. Like, look. And look how many she already had.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
She used to be such a great dog.
What's up next?
Steak. I thought, what do you do after you eat bacon?
Steak.
Steak?
Yeah. Definitely. But we have some time before we're gonna actually eat it, right?
Yeah, we got some time. How do you feel?
Good.
Yes? Yeah, I feel a little bit Drained. Drained is the right word.
Overwhelmed.
No, it's drained is the right word. I feel drained because we've been trying to make a thumbnail out of this, and basically this little thing is what gets me excited. Poop, like that.
But you don't get excited.
I get
hey,
excited about this. Yeah.
Hey.
You mean this guy?
Yeah, you.
You. It's like I want to put this on my steak, and I'm excited about it because I think the flavors are going to add something to what we're doing. But the problem is making a thumbnail that is going to make you click. You guys are pretty, how should I say it, specific about what you like or what you don't like in a thumbnail. And you like big cuts of meat, but a big cut of meat with a tiny thingy, that's not, you don't like it, you don't click it. And it might sound weird, maybe you do, but a lot of other people don't. They're like really picky at that. And then YouTube says, well, people don't like this very much, I'm not gonna show it to anybody else. And then the video doesn't go up. So I'm trying to make the best out of it. And Morrison too, we work hard, and we had like we always get in a debate then, and like, oh, we try this, no, we'll try it my way. And then we have 1,000 versions, and there's not one that's really where we're like, wow, that's the one.
I think we agreed upon one thing this time. It was all crap.
Yeah, but technically the photos are good.
Yeah.
Technically the photos are good, but it's not gonna sell the video.
No.
To the audience. So
if you
it's
see
like,
this,
yeah. So if you
better help us out, click a little bit.
click this video.
Maybe
Come
a
on,
couple
please.
times.
Couple of thumbs up. Give this video 10
Yeah,
thumbs up.
Make some more Gmail accounts.
Yeah. Call your buddies. Whatever. We should stop whining and just start grilling, because we got a beautiful steak laying here waiting for us and a beautiful ingredient. So I'm just gonna do my thing, which is
I'm gonna do my thing then.
cook the hell out of this steak. It's gonna be the title of this vlog, Marcin.
What?
We found it. We did it.
We finally did it.
We did it.
Yeah, we finally discovered it.
Yeah. We now we have a thumbnail that we're happy about. This is like an emotional ups and downs. This is like, I'm happy now. Are you happy now?
I'm happy. Yeah. Yeah. But we stayed close to what we are.
Yeah. We finally found the
We
thumbnail.
make pictures of raw meat.
That's right.
Nothing else.
How do you feel about this, Eva? Yes? You feel horrible? Yeah, because you ate all those thingies. Yes, that's why. Yes, we did it. I'm excited now. This is gonna be good. Yeah. Every step of the way, that's gonna be the thumbnail. Looking good. Moving on. Look at our master bill go. We're raising up. We just cooked our tomahawk. Look at that beauty. She's gorgeous. Just put the tomahawk to low and slow up to 52 degrees Celsius. And now it's just getting its well-deserved rest while the master bill is getting up to temperature. And I put the heat deflector in there. Look, seriously, Morrison, we need to have some footage of this. We're shooting flames out of it.
Whoa, whoa.
And we got a little trick. Don't tell anyone, but ow. It's like the way to ow. It's hot. Ooh, it's hot. Seriously. I push that button, and then it thinks the hood is on, and then it starts shooting flames. Look at that. That's what I'm calling a hot smoker. Someone's coming. This is the floor guy. We got the floor guy coming. Yay! I think it's the floor guy. We got the floor guy coming. Yes, almost. End of the day. If he's gonna put in the floor. I think we can start grilling, but I'd rather wait for the guy. For the dude.
Yep.
Yep. He's here, open the fence. And there we go. So, gonna have a sweet floor. Cleaning up time.
Cleaning up time.
Steak is done. How was the steak, Morrison?
I can't tell you.
You can't tell me?
No, it's top secret for
Top-
people at home.
Come on.
Yeah,
Just
no.
like a little hint.
It's really secret.
Was it good or was it bad? Or was it like Nothing like.
It's classified.
Is it in your top 5 now?
No,
Top 10?
Seriously, it's classified. It's like the best kept secret in the province.
If you would have to, like, if this was the last day on Earth,
Yeah.
would you eat this steak?
Would you eat this steak instead of everything else?
Yes. Instead of Kentucky Fried Chicken.
No, no.
No. This is where our ways separate. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is like this is the things that get you in trouble, Marcel. I know I set you up. It's like the wife thing to do.
Yeah.
Like, honey, do I look fat in these clothes?
Yeah.
What are you gonna say?
Yeah.
But this is like this is your goodbye. Go home, Morrison.
All right. See ya.
Yesterday, after recording, they finished the floor, and today I finally get to take a look at it. It's still a bit dark this morning, so we don't have the we don't have the full lights set up yet. But I want to take a look, even though maybe you can't see anything yet. I'm totally excited. Wow. Yeah, I can't see anything yet. Alright, but it looks amazing. Wow, that's nice. That is one awesome floor. It's a good looking floor. So what I'm looking for is, like, look at how they fixed all these holes. There were big holes here. They fixed it. I'm totally satisfied. Now we can get the carpenter in, get like the strips on the floor, do the last finishes, and then get the painter in, kitchen in, the toilet seats and everything, like everything. We can continue. This is good news. It's probably gonna be finished before Christmas, so looking good. The last thing that I wanted to show you guys is a showroom that almost nobody gets to see. I'm here at Napoleon, and we're gonna check inside, and they have every single thing that Napoleon has. So, and since it's not open to the public, this is like a great opportunity to show you. So, let's go check it out. I'm now currently in, I think, is this the biggest showroom of Napoleon, or do you have other shops that are bigger?
There are some shops that are bigger.
Okay, so it's not the biggest one, but it's like the one that nobody else gets to see. That's why we're here. Like, we got tons of accessories, like every little thing you could imagine you're gonna need for barbecues. Endless. Like, I still need to use this one. That's kind of cool. Honestly, I haven't seen this one yet. It looks kind of cool too. Pizza stones, pizza peels, smoker boxes, and not just one, but like 1, 2, 3 different kinds. And of course, they got their own charcoal. Electric grill, of course. Haven't used that yet. Kind of cool, right? Nice. Look at this. This is like a Travel Pro version with a rotisserie. Isn't that cool? Travel barbecue with a rotisserie. You could easily fit 2 chicken on there. Most definitely. So many barbecues. Endless. Oh, and for everyone that doesn't live in the Netherlands, so sad, you cannot have this one. Look at the paint job. It's a special one for the Netherlands. So cool. I love that paint job. And I got the Kettle Pro with rotisserie ring, with the pizza opening. This is the freestyle grill. It's been out last year in Germany, but not in the Netherlands. Germany and Austria. And there's another version of that as well, right here. With the sizzle zone. And this is really, oh, that's a nice book. Looks really cool. Nice grill, feels sturdy. Like this is always something I like to do, is like move it around, but it doesn't, it has no movement whatsoever. So good looking, sturdy grill. I like it. And it's coming to the Netherlands this year, so that's kind of cool. And here's one of my favorites. How awesome is this grill? P500 Phantom. If you have a wish list and you need to put one gas grill on, that's the one you need to put on. Unless you have a bigger budget, then I would suggest getting this one. This is the Prestige Pro 665 with light on the floor. Look at that. Isn't that cool? And personally I have this one. This is also awesome. Same thing, just a little smaller. I'm gonna be here for another while. Really the last thing I want to show you guys, just to give you like a scope of how big this operation is that Napoleon's got running. And again, nobody else gets to see this. So just look at this. This is a warehouse. These are all grills, all Napoleon grills. All just for you guys. Like, look at it. And all these grills that are here currently are gonna be gone, shipped to a dealer within the month. So within the month, the whole area has been refreshed. It's all gone. Isn't it just crazy? It is so big. It's freaking insane. That's just crazy. There must be thousands and thousands of barbecues here. And this is not where they make the barbecues. This is just logistics. Insane. That was an impressive quick sneak peek, and just look at the size of this building, filled with barbecues. I'm still like, so I'm sorry if I'm rambling. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.